Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to convert recurring decimals into fractions. Examples: 0.3 bar equals to 1 by 3. 0.25 bar equals to 25 by 99. 0.12 bar equals to 4 by 11. And 1.8 bar equals to 10 by 9. I hope you all are interested to know how we can convert recurring decimals into fractions. Let's get started. Here 0.3 bar has few parts. So first try to understand the parts. Here in 0.3 bar you can see 3 bar is recurring part, and in 5.134 bar 5.1 is non-recurring part. In 2.146 bar 0.146 means here 146 called decimal part, whereas 2 is called whole part. In the same example 2.146 bar 46 bar is called a recurring decimal part, and 1 is called non-recurring decimal part. Everyone, understanding these four different elements will help you to solve or convert recurring decimals into fractions very quickly. Now, let us discuss its formula. Recurring decimals equals to whole number without decimal point minus non-recurring part without decimal point upon 10 to the power number of digits after decimal point minus 10 to the power number of digits before recurring part after decimal point. Let us convert 0.3 bar into the fraction. Here whole number without decimal point is 0.3. Here non-recurring part without decimal point is 0. Here 10 to the power digits after decimal point, number of digits after decimal point. So here number of digits after decimal point is 1 minus 10 to the power number of digits before recurring part and after decimal point. So there are no digits. So how many digits are there? 0. After solving this, we'll get 3 and in denominator 10 minus 1 equals to 3 by 9, which can be further simplified as 1 by 3. Therefore, 0.3 bar equals to 1 by 3. Let us see another example. 3.12 bar. Here, whole number without decimal point is 312 minus non-recurring part without decimal point is 3 upon 10 to the power digits after decimal point. There are 2. So, number of digits 2. 10 to the power number of digits before decimal point. Number of digits before recurring part and after decimal point there are no digits, so raised to the power 0. So after solving this, it is 309 upon 10 to the power 2 is 100 minus 10 to the power 0 is 1. After solving, you'll get 309 upon 99, but both are divisible by 3. Therefore, its simplest form is 103 upon 33. Therefore, we can write 3.12 bar is equal to 103 upon 33. Let us try one more example. 0.09 bar. First, write whole number without decimal point, that is 009, minus non-repeating part without decimal point. Here you cannot see any non-recurring part, or you can see here only 0. Then 10 to the power, number of digits after decimal point. As you can see here, there are 2 digits, minus 10 to the power, number of digits before recurring part but after decimal point. There isn't any, so 0. So we can write this as 9 upon 10 to the power 2 is 100 minus 1, it's 99. Further, it can be written as 1 upon 11. Let us try one more example. 2.012 bar. Whole number without decimal point. Whole number without decimal point is 2012, minus non-recurring part. Here is non-recurring part without decimal point. So it is 20 upon 10 to the power, number of digits after decimal point, 1, 2, 3, minus 10 to the power, number of digits before a recurring part. Here 10 to the power, number of digits before a recurring part. So here before recurring part but after decimal point. So there is only one digit. So after solving this, we'll get 1992 upon 10 to the power 3 is 1000 minus 10 to the power 1 is 10. So we'll get 1992 upon 990. As you can see, both the numbers are further divisible by 3. So we'll get here 6 are 18, 6 are 18, then 4 are 12, and here 330. Again, if you further simplify this by 2, you'll get 332 upon 165. So in this way, the final answer is 2.012 bar equals to 332 upon 165. I hope you all have understood this topic to convert recurring decimals into fractions. Thank you everyone.